It's time. It's time for the light round. Right, I'm Brad Close. I'm tell you about myself. So just to hear another close. It's time to be playing us out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. Crimson round. We're going to start with Ian in Florida. Ian.
Hey, Jim. Booyah from Miami Beach.
Fantastic. I love it down there so much. What's going on?
Living in paradise, that's all, you know.
yeah, not living in paradise. You know.
Jim, I'm a two-time caller and a very happy Investor Club member.
Yes! Go ahead. Sorry.
Want to thank you for all that you do.
Thank you.
So, on a recent pullback, Jim, I got some shares of it, around $200 a share. I love the company. I know it's part of the Investor Club. What are your thoughts on Salesforce?
It's ridiculous that the stock is down this much from after surprises with an amazing quarter. It was up to 228. It's come all the way down. I remain convinced that Salesforce is going to have a dynamite 2024. Let's go to Joe in Illinois. Joe.
Joe, booyah, Jim. Joe
Booyah.
Marzano. Stock is Portillo's.
All right, I like Portillo's, and when I went to lunch there, when my wife and I were selling her Fosforo at Binny's, I thought it was terrific, but I did not like the fact that the insiders, the private equity guys were just blowing out of the stock. Well, it looks like I was right, and now we got to wait for this thing to settle down because I can't tell you just go buy it right now. Let's go to Trace in California. Trace.
Booyah, Jim. How you doing today?
I'm doing well. How about you, Trace?
Very well, sir. Today's question regards Mid-America apartment community.
Real estate REIT that only yields 4. I'm not going to. I find that not good enough. I need more yield if I'm going to take a stab at that one. Let's go to Brooks in North Carolina. Brooks.
Brooks speaking.
Yes, Brooks, help me. What do you got?
This company has lost a lawsuit of $495 million, and they're getting ready to issue some debt securities. Is Energy Transfer a buy?
Yeah, it's still a buy. I think it yields 8. I think you can go all the way down to 6 yield, which means it has to go up a lot. They've done a very good job, and I used to be very critical of Kelsey Warren, and I am no longer. Let's go to Mitchell in Texas. Mitchell.
Yo, Kramer, how we doing, man?
I am doing well. How about you, Mitchell?
Hey, I'm doing awesome, man. Hey, I got a stock for you. It's down tremendously. It hasn't been this cheap in, I think, 20 years or so. Yes, they have tons of lawsuits that they're dealing with. They have the free cash flow to cover. I want to know what you think about 3M.
This thing's unbelievable, isn't it? I mean, this is a dividend aristocrat. It just keeps getting hammered. A lot of people feel these forever chemicals are they're going to have to keep writing checks. I am no longer involved with situations where I feel that the companies are much more like law firms. I can't be there. I also include J&J in that mix. Let's go to Nick in Florida. Nick.
Booyah, Jimmy Chill. Nick in Florida, and I have a question regarding an embroiled issue with an upcoming election and all that's being said about pharmaceutical stocks and the government getting involved. I'm sitting here with my brother Kerry, and we're wondering about a company that has a forward PE of 13, an attractive yield of 4%, and the recent acquisition adding to their pipeline. What do you think at this particular time before an election about AbbVie?
I just can't rave about AbbVie. I mean, they haven't done nearly enough as I thought with some of the new products. And I'm frankly, I'm astonished that the company won't talk about it. I used to really like it. I thought they would come on air. I thought we'd be able to talk about it. Company's not interested. That's not my style, not at this point. I do not play for dinner. If I ask you to come on the show and I am honest and respectable, you ought to come on the show. And I am very respectful of AbbVie, but it just didn't work, and I'm not quite sure what that says. Let's go to Michael in Texas, please. Michael.
Hi, booyah, Kramer. Love your show. Love CNBC.
Oh, thank you. We do a good job at the network. How can I help?
Yeah, I've been a really good investor at Iron Mountain, IRM, for quite a while, and I wanted to switch your thoughts on that stock.
I think it's very good. I mean, look, I remember with 6% yield. Of course, that was because the stock was lower. I think they do a very good job. It's a very steady Eddie company. I really like it. Let's go to Joe in Alabama. Joe.
Yes, Jim, booyah.
Booyah, man. What's up?
Go Phillies.
Yeah. Oh, my God. We looked so good last night.
Loved that game last night.
Yeah, that was a fun game. Thank you. Thank you.
I got a question for you on Empire State Realty Trust.
Yeah.
Sell it or keep it?
I think that one's time to. Yeah, I would ring the register on that. You've had a nice game. Let's just move on to something better. How about Paresh in Tennessee? Paresh.
Hey, Jim. Booyah from Music City of Nashville.
Oh, I got to get there. Some of my best friends are there. A couple of people moved from here. How can I help?
Awesome, awesome. Hey, just want to let you know that you, sir, are a credit to the community. So continue doing what you're doing. Thank you very much.
I sure am.
Thank you. Hey, first, a very good luck to my beloved India who plays Pakistan today in World Cup. And very quickly, my question is about Oracle. Stock has come down about 10% after the earnings.
Oh, you got to buy Oracle. I'm telling you, just buy Oracle. I was surprised. I told Jeff Marks, my partner for my Travel Trust, that this is a great level to buy it. We have a ton. I want to buy more. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, the world according to Larry Fink. The BlackRock CEO dished some wisdom this morning. Kramer shares it next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Kramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Kramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.